Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Besties. It's Mrs. Salito, and I don't have my besties, but I brought some friends along. Can you guess what kind of book I'm going to read? What it's going to be about? It's going to be about a bear. Now, when I usually read this story, Bear Snores On, I read it with my bestie, Mrs. Lyons. We take turns reading the pages, and we take turns doing the voices. She has a great bear voice, so I'm really going to miss her on this story. I'm going to do my very, very best to be as good at this bear voice as she is. You're going to love this story, Bear Snores On, by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Let's look at the front and the back. It's a wraparound cover. I love that. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? They're ready. Let's go. Bear Snores On. Here's the title page, Bear Snores On. This is a wintry scene. I love that scene. Do you know anything about bears in wintertime? Do they hibernate? They do. All winter long? Not all winter long. Sometimes, if it's warm, they'll get up and take a little walk around to see if there's anything good. Maybe some yummy yums to eat. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Do you know what a lair is? It's a fancy word for den. There he is, sleeping. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, toot-toot, toot-toot, toot-toot. So he lights wee twigs with the small hot spark. Dank and dark and cold. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. I love the words in this book. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, and a hare hops in. Ho, Mouse, says Hare, long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. Means just divide them up and get snuggly. Don't you love that word, yummy yums? I do. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "Whew, what a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look, he's sleeping back here. They're having a party. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Ooh, look at him. He's scary. This is where I need Mrs. Lyons. She's great on this next page. Oh, you snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleepy, and I have had none. Oh my goodness, look at him. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh my goodness, he's just so sad. Mouse squeaks. Look, Mouse has a solution. Don't worry. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a clear, crisp dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Too many yummy yums. That is the end. We hope you enjoyed Bear Snores On. Until next time, bye-bye.